They say be careful what you wish for, and what I've wished for is to compete at the highest level in motorsports. What gets me up in the morning is to be mentally sharp, physically sharp, and ready to compete with the best in the motorsports business.
I was here since the start of Core. I was very passionate about the team, and I recognized that in order for us to have long-term success and stability, we needed to partner with an OEM. So I identified Porsche as one of 3 brands who could be a potential partner. This was 2012 at the time. John and I hop on a plane, we go to Le Mans, bang on the door of the suite and say, hey, we're the Core guys and we'd like to run your factory team in 2014. And they sort of said, hey, sort of thanks for coming, but remind me who you are again. We said, hey, we won 3 LMPC championships. We're the guys. They're like, wait, what's LMPC?
It's been kind of my family of racing for the last few years, and I've seen the team grow into, one of the top level race teams across the globe.
The biggest point of this team is they never give up. They always try to improve themselves. And I think that's why it fit perfectly with guys like Nick or me, because we always try to improve, try to be better.
You're on a world stage and you're fighting to be the best. It's no easy task, but we all share the passion of the sport, and everyone is extremely competitive, or we wouldn't be here.
One of the things that made me nervous about the initial days of our factory program is Porsche's history of amazing feats in motorsport. And so I went into the Daytona 24-hour race in 2014 with relatively low expectations. The hours, ticked off, and when 24 hours was done, one of our Porsches had won its class. It's just one of those days you'll never, ever, ever forget.
It really didn't sink in at the time just what we'd accomplished. New car, new team, everybody working together for the first time, and we go out there and we kind of dominate a race and have no issues at all and end up as champions of Daytona.
We're doing it. We are capable of this assignment that we were given. The 2 championships that we brought to Porsche, early in our factory program. Certainly our win at our first Daytona was super important. The overall win at Petit Le Mans, this is 10 hours in the rain, and to have a Porsche 911 win the race overall, unheard of. A unique partnership between Porsche and Michelin, showing what's possible with a sports car in the rain over a long period of time.
I mean, it was unbelievable. It's one of my best memories. All drivers, all team crew was like completely surprised about this result, but the emotion was so high, and it just gave us so much motivation to keep pushing.
I can tell you there's something different about this year, and that's this unique challenge of going to Le Mans. It's really all the troops are rallied behind it, and it's this unique new focus for us that's really brought the team to the next level in preparation for this challenge.